Jien m'iniex razzist, iżda inti x'taħseb? Il-Maltin tolleranti għal kulturi oħrajn? Kif naħsbuha fuq gruppi etniċi, persuni b'diżabilità, persuni LGBT u gruppi oħrajn? Fl-aħħar jiem f'pajjiżna kien hawn Morten Kjarum, id-direttur tal-Aġenzija Ewropea għad-Drittijiet Fundamentali. F'intervista esklusiva ma' dan l-istazzjon tkellem dwar is-sitwazzjoni f'Malta, kif ukoll dak li jixtieq jara fl-Ewropa.
First of all, I think Malta is doing very well. I think there's a high respect and seriousness when it comes to protecting human rights.
Iżda x'inhu r-rwol tal-Aġenzija Ewropea għad-Drittijiet Fundamentali?
We make profound studies into what are the problems when it comes to discrimination, for example, ethnic minorities, to sexual minorities, violence against women. And based on all that data that we collect, we then provide the data evidence to EU institutions, to member states.
Fl-aħħar snin, in-numru ta' nisa fid-dinja tax-xogħol żdied sostanzjalment u qiegħed dejjem jiżdied. Xi ħaġa li skont Kjarum mhux biss hi pożittiva minħabba l-involviment tan-nisa fis-soċjetà.
And that's not only for the sake of, let's say, getting women in there, but it's definitely also to get that diversity, getting those other perspectives into a workplace which is always so healthy that we do not only see the world in one perspective, the man's or the middle-aged man's perspective, but we also get it from women and also, I would say, ethnic minorities. We should also have persons with disability.
F'dan is-sens għad baqa' ħafna xi jsir, tant li d-direttur tal-Aġenzija Ewropea Drittijiet Fundamentali ma jeskludix aktar quotas.
So maybe one day quota is a necessity in order to give it that push. I must say I'm getting a little bit impatient.
Tkellimna wkoll dwar suġġett importanti ferm għal Malta, l-immigrazzjoni.
Malta has done a good work. I'm somewhat concerned with the detention of everybody, and I've also addressed that with the authorities. I'm pleased to see that the time that now it takes to process the individual cases has been brought down considerably. That is a very important step also to limit the time in detention.
Int mhux razzist, imma fil-kollega Bulgaru ħsieb.
Meta 20 euros nieqsa fil-cash sibt.
Inti mhux razzist meta qed tmejjel biċ-Ċiniż?
Għax għandu aċċent meta titkellem bil-Ingliż.
Why is it that we only see another person's skin color or sexual orientation or disability? Why can't we see it as a person? It's all its complexity, and then of course also a skin color, religion or whatever.
And most racist ima lili tiġġudikani
għax it-tifel tiegħi jilgħab mal-ġirien Indjani.
Int mhux razzist, imma l-velu fuq in-nisa
Taħseb li hu xi ħaġa tal-biża'.